How to remove card details from Chegg.com. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will simply guide you on how you can actually remove your card details from Chegg account, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So basically Chegg is an online studying platform, and if you want to remove your card details from that platform, all you have to do is just go ahead and first of all open up your browser and then log into Chegg, which is chegg.com. I will also make sure to drop a direct link down in the description box. Go to chegg.com and then sign into your account. Then once you sign into your account, you will see this type of interface where you just need to tap the drop down menu from the very top right hand side of the screen. Once you tap the drop down menu, here you'll find all these sorts of options where you have to select the option called My Account. And once you go to My Account, if you have an active subscription, basically you will be able to find the option to remove all of those cards from your subscriptions, or any type of payment method that you might have added. Could be a debit, credit, Visa or MasterCard. You will definitely find the option to remove it inside your orders, because you can see I don't have a subscription, so it's just showing empty. But if you do, you'll most likely see a payment method listed here as well. This is simply how you can remove your card from your Chegg account. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.